me honestly, how many times have you started your workout and diet plan only to quit by the first week? Day 1 is exciting, day 3 you are pushing through, day 5 it feels like work, and by day 7 you are back where you have started. Sounds familiar, right? I know because I have been there. It's always been the case with me where I start with high motivation, then it drops by day 7. It's not your fault, it's your brain chemistry. Let me explain. In this video, I'm going to share about the dopamine cycle, which is keeping you where you are at and what is not letting you change from within. Second, why motivation is not the right way to fuel yourself, and possibly if you're relying on the same, it won't work. Third, we are going to understand the fixed system that actually works, that helps you not quit after 7 days and keep you on track. Lastly, I'm going to throw up a quick challenge that will help us as a community to stay on track with the habits we develop. I'm Soumya Lohadia, I'm a health coach, and I've helped more than thousands of clients achieve their transformation results. On this channel, you don't only get what to do in order to get that transformation, but how to do it, how to stay on track and make that real change happen. This is how your dopamine cycle works. From day 1 to day 2 is where your novelty is very high, and as a result, your body releases a lot of dopamine that makes you feel good about yourself. Buying a new planner always feels good because it gives you novelty. Starting a new workout always feels good. Starting something new about yourself that actually makes you believe that I will achieve something when I start this gives you a dopamine rush. And that is the most exciting feeling. But from day 3 through day 5 is when you get into monotony and your brain is like, I don't want to change. By day 6 and day 7 is when your dopamine starts dropping and brain starts saying, go back to comfort zone. So the planner that you first got, the workout that you started, the meal plan that you started in a dopamine rush of getting into a particular body or getting a particular result now has gone down to 0 because your reality has kicked in and you have started going back to your comfort zone. But why do you think this dopamine cycle exists? It's because motivation doesn't work. Motivation is a temporary fuel. It doesn't fuel you forever. When I start to do it from day 1, it is very exciting because I'm just looking at the goal that I want to achieve. But I'm not thinking about the process. I'm not thinking about the routine that I have to follow in order to achieve that six-pack abs. Most of the time, habits die because they rely on emotions and not the right kind of system. Getting a new planner is very exciting, but when I have to fill it every day, it takes a lot of effort. I have not decided any system for myself to get that planner filled every day. I have not allocated any time to do it every day, or possibly I have not enjoyed the process of filling it every day. Then no matter how good the planner is, no matter how expensive the planner is, if I have no intention to fill it every day, on the days when they are boring, on the days when I have to do it repetitively, monotonously, I will not be able to fill it all 365 days. Motivation works like going up, going down, then going up, going down. It's like a swing from here to there. That's the story of each one of our life until you have this fixed system in place. This fixed system has 3 important actionable steps. And if you follow this fixed system, I can assure you that you will never go back to square zero. You will always be consistent with whatever you have taken for yourself. First, environmental triggers. Redesign your environment. For example, laying out your workout clothes for the next day, setting out your workout water bottle, setting your meal prep for the entire week. All of these things are environmental triggers, because what happens is the reason why you fall out of track is mostly because whatever you are following is not feasible. If you have not set the entire week's meal prep way well in advance, if you have not planned your protein, carb and fat intake, whatever you will do as when you have to actually follow it, you will because it is not set as an environment for you, you will end up either ordering from outside or binging on something which is very unhealthy, because you have not set the right kind of environment for yourself. That will just make it easy for you to give up on the routine that you have decided for yourself. So setting the right kind of environmental triggers is paramount and most important thing when it comes to this fixed system, which includes setting right kind of environmental conditions, your workout clothes, your meal preps, planning the things rightly. That's the only way to success. Second, the streak method. Research suggests that when you see things getting done, you're more likely to repeat it. When you see in front of you that you are checking the boxes, you get a dopamine from checking the boxes as well, not just envisioning the change, but also making that change happen. Third, and a very important pillar of this fixed system is an accountability buddy. Keeping your friends, your community aware about the fact that how important this change is for you, how important and badly you want this transformation, how badly you want to achieve this goal for yourself. If you communicate this well with the people around you, they will support you in this journey if they really matter. Because when you have this kind of a support system, there will be no person pulling you out of this. Yes, it will be difficult, it's not easy. I'll give you an example of my brother itself, who recently did Ironman. So every day he made sure that he tells us how important and badly he wants it for him. We understood the gravity of the situation, so we always supported him in his goal and in his dreams. So building that kind of an accountability matters. In this fixed system, when you want to be consistent with something, if you have people around you who always push you and motivate you, it makes a hell lot of a difference. Now, this fixed system works on rewiring your dopamine reward cycle. Now, how we can all do it together? I want all of you to be a part of this fixed system challenge. Now, this fixed system challenge is very simple. We take one habit and follow it for the next 7 days. We follow all the 3 methods. First is to make sure that we set the right kind of environment. For example, if I want to drink, say, 2 liters of water every day, I'll make sure that I have a water bottle along with me that tracks the amount of water that I'm consuming. I'll set the reminders to be reminded of drinking water before my meals, after my meals, after every 1 hour, or possibly setting all the environment that is important to push me drink that much amount of water. That is one. Second is tracking. Yes, it matters when you track. So setting a kind of a box system, or possibly posting it every day on the comment section that I have had this much amount of water today, 2 liters of water, 3 liters of water, will help you stay consistent. When you have done your workout, post it in the comment section. Consider the comment section of this video as your streak board. Every day, whenever you follow a particular habit that you are going to follow for the next 7 days, when you put it in the comment section, I assure you the next 7 days you're going to follow it, because you know that there are so many people watching my comment, seeing my comment, or Soumya is seeing my comment, and I'm accountable to her. So this will act as a 2 important pillar of your fixed system: streak method and streak tracking, and accountability. You are accountable to me. You are accountable to the people of this community. When you post a comment saying that I'm going to drink this much amount of water, I'm going to work out today, or possibly I'm going to sleep this much today, following everything that you're going to take up as an habit for the next 7 days, you're going to comment down and tell us every day. If you're doing it for the next 7 days, I'm the one who's going to reward you. The only thing that you need to do is post a comment every day on this video and mention me while you're posting the comment as well. Take up any challenge, doesn't matter if it is like a big or a small challenge, but you take that challenge up, put them down every day, you follow it. This will help you achieve the results that you're looking forward and break that dopamine cycle. Also, if you can't do it by yourself and you need someone else to do it for you, you need a personalized accountability coach, a person who can mentor you in the right way possible, then you are at the right place. I have my application and a very special program designed on it for you, where we focus on accountability, where we focus on consistency and making the real transformation happen. So yes, be a part of that packed journey if you are someone who is looking forward for a team of individuals to help you in your transformation. You can find all the links in my description. Be a part of the program if you don't have enough time to do it by yourself. And yeah, looking forward for the real change happening. Bye bye, stay fit, stay happy. Quitting is very normal, but the system design is what solves it. Don't try to change your entire life in 7 days. Pick one small thing for the next 7 days and start working on that, because when you get a motivation in finishing up that one small thing, it will lead to another important thing that you will take up for yourself, and in no time you will see the real change happening. So it's those small little steps that add up as a compounding effect to give a bigger and a better impact in your life. So let's start with that small habit. I'm looking forward to hear from you in the comment section below. Next 7 days, regularly pick that one small habit and break that dopamine cycle. And if you do it, I'll reward you for sure. That's it for today's video. I hope you understood how to rewire your brain and break the dopamine cycle. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay fit, stay happy.